hotel last night, so I've got baggage in the boot of the car that I can hear just sliding around a little bit, and that's a bit annoying. Okay, so the start-stop line is here, which track recording kind of recognises. So what I'll do is I'll do a quick walkthrough of the kind of lines I'm taking at the moment, then I can compare to later on after the tutorial. So we come down close to the wall, not too close, there's loads of debris and I don't want to risk anything. Turn in about here, in third, nice and slow around there. Tickle the rumbles there a little bit. Move over to the left, right on the outside. Turn in here where the tyre tracks are. Tickle the rumbles there. And out here to the rumbles again. Stay over on the left. Turn in about here. Not go over to the left here, but just over to the middle, just easing off the throttle, over to the right. Turn in and sort of stay, let's say around the middle of the circuit here, I think. Over to the left, to the rumbles there. Move the car out to the right. Accelerate down. Brake a bit. Turn in here, middle of the track. Gradually moving over. Moving back out, over to the right hand side of the circuit. And then over to the left. Now this is my first time, so I reserve the right to be completely wrong in all of this. Deep in here, turn in quite hard, off the throttle, but just feathering gently. And then we move over to the right, but let this little Clio go. We'll accelerate down here, brake pretty much where he's braking, I guess. Turn in a little bit late, probably, through this chicane. Tickle the rumbles there. I think I could have done that a lot better. And then accelerate. Now we'll let this Mercedes go past. AMG power. Right, this is my first session after I had tutorials at Rockingham. Gotta be honest, the training that I got was damn scary, the scariest training I've ever had at any race circuit. I mean, he had me accelerating hard, driving at the wall, and just really driving this car in a way that I've never driven it before, and I didn't know that it could be driven that way. So yeah, it was terrifying, absolutely terrifying, but good. I'm certainly not going to drive the track as hard as he encouraged me to drive. I mean, he was very hands-on, took the wheel quite a lot and just steered it for me, had me just driving at things rather than trying to steer away from things. Let these guys go. He did say my etiquette was very good, so you know, I do try to be etiquette. So here, for example, you have me coming in tight right here, then accelerate full throttle here, and not go where they're going, but actually come up here into the little pit thing and out. The instructor recommended that I probably do 7 to 8 minute sessions in this car because of the weight of it and the brakes. Yeah, 7 to 8 minute sessions means I don't know how fast a lap is here. I know during sighting, based on some data, that I hit about 212 because I had a quick review of it to make sure everything was okay. So assuming 2 minutes, 7 or 8 minutes means basically 3 to 4 laps. And if you consider one of those is an in lap and another one is an out lap, that's really only 2 laps. 2 good hot laps, which really probably should be okay. But we're here to try a bit more than that. Okay, so session 3, let's try and do a slower walkthrough of what I learnt from the driving instructor. That's not good. past the start-stop line. So here we accelerate out towards the wall. I'm supposed to get nice and close to it, but I don't really want to hit all the debris. And then here we brake, we go diagonally into here, down to third, off the brake here, and then turn in really hard. And then accelerate out flat here. Traction control comes on a little bit. That felt nice and comfortable with traction control. Still in third, braking, and then in gently, and then turn in hard over the strip, and then accelerate out full onto the strips here. Then we go up here, brake, turn in gently, and then hard, and accelerate through the corner, over to the right, and then turn in here. We had a bit of understeer there because I wasn't over to the right enough, I think. And then we find a comfortable line through here, and accelerate out hard here, up into fourth. Shouldn't really change gear during a turn. Stab a brake in, find the apex, and accelerate out quite hard here, up to there. Don't go on the grass like he did, that's not something I'm interested in. Brake, down to third, and then turn in hard here using the weight of the car, just right in on the strips, and then accelerate hard out here. I'm realising how much traction control is stopping me when I'm not sure it really needs to. So brake, down to third, turn, dab of acceleration off, acceleration off, and accelerate out towards the wall. He's indicating to let me go, thank you very much. Up into fifth. Supposed to hold close to the wall up at the top there, and then just ease in around nice and tight here onto the lines, and then out, we're in fifth, and then start to brake into fourth, go diagonally into the turn here, into third, off the brake, turn in hard, no acceleration, accelerate here, out onto the strips, and then over to the left. Accelerate, off, in, accelerate out, take all the strips, accelerate, off, in, gently, and then in hard, accelerate, stay over to the right, dab a brake, turn in here, hit the strips, and then accelerate around here at a continuous arc. He's indicating to let me go, so we go up into fourth, and then get a slightly bad line there because we're on a different approach, but that's okay. We're in fourth gear, just go around, hit the strips here, over to the left, drop from fourth down to third, braking, turn in, hard, no acceleration, let the car rotate itself, then accelerate out here, up to the pit, over to the right, up into fourth, start to brake, down into third. He had me go through this in second, but I'm going to stick to third at the moment. Off, accelerate, off, accelerate, off, and accelerate towards the wall, thus. Now up into fourth. He hasn't indicated, but I'm overtaking anyway because, yeah.